In this video, I'll be showing you how I built this lighting fixture using a recessed LED light with nightlight. I recently completed building a custom desk for my office, and I wanted to have a nice bright light installed for when I am working at my electronics bench, doing detailed work with soldering and circuit assembly. That's why I really like this recessed light by ComiLED, who is the sponsor of today's video. ComiLED offers a variety of energy-efficient lighting products at wholesale prices, including recessed lighting, LED panel lights, ceiling fans, and more. Check out the video description for a link to their website, which includes a 10% off discount code. This light offers 5 different color temperature selections, which can be configured with the switch on the side of the box. These boxes are also dimmable all the way down to 5% brightness, and are approved for wet locations, such as kitchens or bathrooms, or even under the sofa around the house. The additional feature of the ambient night light is also nice in my case for when I want to have my ambient lighting setup active. I'm able to turn this nightlight feature on by a simple double toggle of the light switch. Normally this light would be installed directly into the ceiling drywall as shown here. In my office, I decided to build this special fixture for the light due to its location and so that I could make it more integrated as a feature in my overall design for the room. So let's get started with looking at how it was built. I began by cutting down a piece of drywall into the shape of a hexagon. This would be the bottom face of the light where the light would attach. This is a 4-inch light, so I used a 4-inch hole saw to cut a hole into the center of the hexagon. Next, I marked out and drilled in some wood pieces, which were similar to dowels, almost like shaker pegs. These would be to support the top plate, while also leaving room within the fixture where the electrical box would sit. The top plate was cut into a circle using the jigsaw and drilled into the other side of the pegs. With the fixture framework assembled, I began adding the decorative covering, which started with metallic tape around the outer edge. For covering the rest of the assembly, I had some vinyl wrap with carbon fiber pattern, which was blue for the bottom face, and black for going around the upper side. To finish it off, I routed the Romex wire for this light through the attic and connected it to the spare light switch. Remember to check out the link below if you're interested in these recessed lights or even some of their other lighting solutions. If you use the link below, you'll receive a discount on their products, plus it'll help support the channel at no additional cost to you. Thank you to everyone else who supports the channel through your positive feedback in the comments. I've got many more LED projects planned ahead, including a video on my DIY desk project, which I'm looking forward to sharing soon. Thanks for watching.